Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to check your spam and junk folders in Gmail if you're looking for missing messages. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up Gmail account, and then click mo lang yung Gmail, and then dito lang sa left side menu, and then click mo lang dito yung more. So, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to and then next ay select mo lang dito yung spam. So, click mo lang yan. So, dito sa spam, messages that have been a spam for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. And then, other action naman dito ay pwede mong i-delete all spam messages now. And then, kapag click mo tong spam email natin, so dito sa taas ay may option settings sa pwede mong i-delete forever, not spam. Pwede mong mark as unread, noise, at to task, more to, and then pwede mo lagyan ng labels. And then kapag click mo tong tatlong dot na to, pwede mong mark as unread, mark as important, add star create event. So kapag click mo tong mark as important, ay babalik ito sa ating inbox. So ganun lang po kasimple. And then dito naman sa trust, so kapag click mo yan, and then makita mo dito yung mga email natin na deleted na siya. And pwede mo itong i-recover ulit. So same procedure, so kapag click mo yan, and then may option dito na pwede mong delete forever, pwede mong mark as unread, noise, add to task, more to, and then labels, and then pwede mong mark as important para bumalik sa inbox natin. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-recover ang deleted emails in Gmails. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.